I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in on Sandata Mobile Connect. First, open the Sandata Mobile Connect application on your mobile device. It's crucial to ensure your device's location services are enabled, as this allows the app to accurately verify your presence at the client's location. Make sure you are physically within the designated service area before proceeding to the next step. This initial setup is vital for a successful clock-in. Once the app is open, you will see a list of your scheduled client visits. Carefully locate and select the specific visit you are about to begin. Double-check the client's name and the scheduled service time to ensure you have chosen the correct entry. After confirming the details, simply tap the clock-in button that is clearly associated with that particular visit. This action initiates your work period. After tapping Clock In, the application will present you with a summary of your clock-in details. Take a moment to review this information, including the exact time and the client's name, to confirm everything is accurate. The app might also prompt you for additional information, such as specific tasks completed or any relevant notes for the visit. Once you have reviewed and provided any necessary details, confirm your clock-in to finalize the process and officially start your shift. Sometimes you might encounter minor issues. If the app seems unresponsive, try restarting it completely. A stable internet connection is also essential, so check your Wi-Fi or cellular data if you experience delays. If you are still unable to clock in successfully after these steps, it is important to contact your supervisor immediately. They can provide further assistance or alternative instructions to ensure your time is accurately recorded, preventing any discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.